pitch is very good and very good for the bounce and very good pitches. And now two teams again from Peshawar, Salmi and Multan Sultan again. For the now is very good pitch and very good crowd. After very good ground again. For all the people and all the countries, very nice again for the match. And just 5 minutes out against for the two teams. Very good and very good for the bounce pitch again. For no grass again for the pitch is very good. And now it's the two teams again for the first team is to win the toss, elect to win the match and win the matches.
पिच सफ़ा तमाम लूज़ आहे ऐं बैटिंग पिच बि आहे ऐं बॉलिंग पिच बि आहे स्कोर तमामु सुठो लॻी सघे थो जीअं त पिच में तमामु सुठा रांदीगर खेॾी सघनि था ऐं बॉलिंग बि सुठी हले सघे थी.
Again, very good for the Multan Sultan Randigar again is a very good cricket batsman. Sultan is a cricket batsman for the playing 11. Just for the Babar Ali and Tanveer Ali, and now is against Zamir Ali as Abdul Rauf and Mohammad Alam commentary box, and now is Ibrahim Murtaza and Abid Ali, and now just Mohammad Punal is a very good team for the Multan Sultan.